Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I have a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. Guys, Dollar Tree is getting filled up with Christmas decor and I'm like so excited just because I love Christmas. I love to decorate for Christmas, and you guys know my little bundle of joy is coming right before Christmas, which is a blessing. So I'm super excited to decorate this year. I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs. Hopefully I can get them done before baby boy is here, because I gotta get all that stuff done before he gets here, of course. So yeah, I have a lot of goodies that I want to share with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into these bags. So the first bag I have is this one right here, and this one is a little sign that I love. It's very different from the decor that I usually go for, but this one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and I thought this was so cute. I can add it to some decorations that I'm going to be putting up for Christmas. I mean, I could put it on a wall. I don't know, I'm just gonna find a place to put it. I just love the sign. It just looks super cute, so I had to pick that up. And then the next bag I picked up two of the Christmas trees, and this one you usually use like when you do like little villages and stuff like that, when you decorate for the Christmas, like if you're gonna do a table and you're gonna do like a little village. These are very cute for that, so I went ahead and picked up two because I have somewhat of idea of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing a lot of, you know, displays and different tables of my house, so I know more or less what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned to that video showing you guys my whole like Christmas decor, because I'm just so excited. I'm so antsy. I cannot wait to start decorating. So the next thing I did pick up was this little church. It is so cute. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I have to get this, because like I said, I can do a little village and I can add the trees and I can add little ornaments here and there. So I'm excited to do the little displays so you guys can see it. It's gonna be so cute. And then the next thing I have are these right here, and these I'm planning to do something with it. I'm so excited. I'm trying to do a lot of DIYs for my decorations this year, so look out for that. I'm going to show you guys how I did it and all that stuff, but these are so cute. I have the unicorn, the pine cones. I said unicorn. Pine cones, and then the gold little decor with the flowers. I think it was so cute, and for what I'm thinking of, it's gonna look even cuter, so I can't wait to decorate with that. And then the last thing in this bag, I forgot, are these adhesive diamond wraps. Now these are good to do little decors and DIYs. My idea of what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna be using it for, of course, DIYs, and I'm gonna be cutting them and putting them in like those cylinders, those candle cylinders. Like that is my idea, that's my inspiration, so I'm gonna be using these for that. So look out for that. Again, look out for my Christmas decor. I thought that was the last thing, but this is the last thing in this bag. I got this for my daughter. It's not a Christmas decor, but I got it. It was so cute. I have an obsession with butterflies. Love butterflies, so I bought it for her so she could put it in her room. And then I have two other bags of goodies over here. So in this bag I only have a whole bunch of floral decors. I'm going to do little vases with a lot of decor with the Christmas trees and stuff like that. So I just got a whole bunch. I have this one that is super cute. Can't wait to decorate with. And then I have two more florals, but these are only the pine cone decor because, you know, I'm gonna do like mix and match, changing it up here and there. So I got that. And then I did pick up some of these, and these have the little red birds and the little red berries on it, but my vision is I'm gonna remove the bird and do something else with it. So that is my idea for that. I'm telling you guys, My head is like spinning because I have so many ideas I want to do. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I also picked up, well, another one of the white with the pine cone. I got a whole bunch of these, guys, just because I know I'm gonna need them. So that is why I picked up everything. So the last thing in that bag is this garland, and this is a 15 feet garland. Now I picked this up for another DIY that I have in mind, and I needed garland to wrap around my idea. So that is why I picked this up. I can't wait to try it. I want to see if it works out for me. If it does, I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and pick up some more of these, because I just want to try it out, see how it works first, and then pick up whatever else I need left. So in the next bag I do have are these white Christmas trees. I am going to be doing like little centerpieces for my island. You guys know I have an island. I have my living room and my dining room, so I'm gonna be doing little different ideas for each table. So I bought these Christmas trees. I have more or less an idea of what I want to do with it, but you guys gotta stay tuned. I'm gonna do that in the future videos. And then the last thing that I did pick up were these rocks. And the reason why I picked up these rocks were for the Christmas tree, because where I'm gonna put the Christmas tree is gonna be either in a wooden box or a bucket tin. I'm gonna place it there, glue it, and then put the rocks so it doesn't fall. So that is why I picked up the rocks. But this is the last thing that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I'm super excited. I just cannot wait to decorate for Christmas. This is like my favorite holiday. Let me know down below if this is your favorite holiday to decorate, because this is mine. I just love it. I'm obsessed. Can't wait to start decorating, because you guys know baby is gonna be here right before Christmas. So I want to get all my Christmas decor out of the way, and I want to do all my DIYs now before he gets here. Baby's gonna take up a lot of my time, so I definitely want to get this done. So I basically done going to Dollar Tree, but if I do need anything else, I will definitely go back and pick up some more of whatever I need for my DIYs. But other than that, this is what I have, and I cannot wait to start doing some of my projects. But I hope you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, of course. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, loves. Mwah.